Dell Latitude 5440 Wi-Fi card replacement. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Here we will be replacing the Wi-Fi card on Dell Latitude 5440. First, we're going to unscrew the bottom part of the case. Then we're going to use the spudger to remove that case. We're going to pry it out on the sides, on the back, and the front. We're going to separate it with our hands. Alright, now that the bottom case is removed, we're going to see the battery, the Wi-Fi card, the RAM, the SSD, fan, all the internal components. Now we are going to proceed to disconnect the battery to make sure that there's no power coming into the components when we disconnect them. We're going to move on to removing the Wi-Fi card by first removing the screw that holds the card in place. That will remove a small little metal plate that covers cables and keeps it in place. Now we're going to remove the cables. Disconnect both cables using the spudger, the plastic spudger, just to avoid any damage to them. They are really delicate. Now go ahead and remove the Wi-Fi card. You're going to have the white and black connectors. They're marked, so you just connect them where they're marked to. Set it in place. Once in place, let's go ahead and connect those cables. Once it's connected, you just gotta go on and put the cables in the tray how they were. Let's go back and put the small metal plate over it to protect it and screw it again. Right, we're gonna connect the battery. We're gonna assemble the bottom case back up. There we go. Wi-Fi works. Thanks all for watching.